Today's recipe is chicken rasam. Ingredients required to make chicken rasam are fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 2 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, 2 cloves and 1 inch of cinnamon. Dry roast it in a pan without adding any oil for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Once done, add it to the mixer grinder and allow it to cool for few minutes. Later on, in the same pan, add 3 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. First grind the dry roasted ingredients, then later on grind the garlic, ginger and curry leaf into a semi-coarse powder. In a cooker, add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 bay leaf and a small piece of stone flour. Then add 2 green chilies chopped and few curry leaf and fry for 30 seconds. Then add 1 large finely chopped onions and fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until the onions get softened. Now add turmeric powder and 2 finely chopped tomatoes and then fry for few minutes. Now add the ground rasam powder and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add half kg chicken and salt according to the taste. Now add 2 to 3 glasses of water and wait for a boil. When it starts to boil, cover the cooker with the lid and wait for 2 to 3 whistles. Allow the cooker to cool down and then open the lid. Now the rasam is ready to be served. Garnish it with coriander leaves and lemon. This rasam goes well with rice and it can also be served as soup. Thank you for watching our video.